嗱，今日係12月20號，尋日咧我哋就由 Luxor 出發，就去到 F 嗰度埋岸。睇嚟好多遊船都好喜歡喺 F 呢個鎮嗰度過夜。嗱，今日咧我哋就會去參觀一個 Temple of Kom Ombo， 而且咧仲喺 Kom Ombo 嗰度過夜。一離開城鎮之後，眼前個景色好快就變返永恆嘅尼羅河、農田同埋荒漠。希望呢啲細路仔一個好愉快嘅童年啦。嗱，而家大概係點零鐘，忽然之間見到一個好奇特嘅景色，有啲建築群好似喺洞穴嗰度挖出嚟嘅。收尾事後翻查下之後，先知道原來呢個係一個神殿，已經3000幾年歷史㗎啦。喺埃及，樣樣嘢啲古蹟都係千聲嘅呢年份。而家下晝大概4點鐘，我哋已經到咗 Kom Ombo 嗰度啦。嗰個神殿呢，就喺尼羅河隔離。咁而家我哋嘅姊妹船 MS Media 已經泊咗喺碼頭，我哋就會泊喺佢隔離。
可能咁多一隻一齊泊晒喺度，跟住有一隻船行過另外一隻船啦。而家抽緊籤，嗰度有一隻已經我哋泊緊佢。MS Media 最後第一架，我哋係 MS Meridian 第二架，跟住呢架第三架，呢個第四架，呢個第5架。左手邊嗰隻船而家成功咁樣貼住我哋呢隻船啦。嗰度船已經交接咗啦，可以一道門行去第二個門嗰度，係啦，已經由一隻船行到去另外一隻船啦。我諗我都係要準備去落船噶啦，去嗰度嗰個 temple 嗰度。好啦，我哋係第2隻、第3隻喺呢度，第4隻已經泊緊啦，跟住第5隻又要泊緊嚟啦。
Kom Ombo Temple 係建於公元前180年，係皇帝Ptolemy 6世起嘅。嗱，相比之下 Karnak Temple 喺 Luxor 係比呢個神殿早成1000幾2000年前起嘅。
3,000 years old, sandstone, not far from the Nile, and the Nile we chose this symbol to represent life because this represents the Nile delta and show the Nile Valley. Nile means water, water means life, and this means power. So
El rey tiene dos cartuchos que son un solo cartucho, los que están de pie. Y delante de ellos están tres dioses. El primero, Horus.
this old that's the story. So you see why and red one seed people, and then Ra took memory of his written and Ra left this world and went to the year after, to the sky and as the sun came there. So the Americans picked up that story.
Star Wars, Stargate.
Stargate, very good. The movie Stargate in 1995 came out, telling us about how Ra was an alien, and after the revolution, he moves to the sky. Okay, well, any story has a moral. The moral of that story, when you face an angry woman, just offer her some red wine. That's number one.
Greek temple 定係
上邊有 flower onyx 嗰啲嘅話，通常係 Greek 嘅 ，Egyptian 嗰啲係 plain 嘅。
So when you look, you see the capitals are not identical. They are different. So that's the feature of the Greco-Roman temple.
Okay, this is a Greco-Roman temple.
So do you think Ra was an alien? Ra is now the peak of the earth, humans, and gods. I told you how the humans revolted against Ra. This time there is a different story. The gods revolted against Ra. Now the titans are fighting each other. So Ra needed help, and he asked Horus to help him. So the two gods became one god, taking this shape. The sun is the winds. They are missing. According to the calendar, it's supposed to be winter. In ancient Egypt, they made the year consisting of 3 seasons. Each season had 4 months. And then 1 month had 3 weeks. And every week had 3 days. Please come to take a picture of the seasons. Take a picture of the world. This is the calendar in the world. And you see 3 goddesses representing the 3 seasons. And here are days. So I will teach you how to read hieroglyphic, okay? This is number 10. This is number 10. This is number 1. So 10 and 20, 10, 20. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means day number 26. And then 27. So this means the end of the year. This means the opening. Here, what is this day? Day number 2, right? 1, 2. What is this day? 3. 4, 5. You can read hieroglyphics.
Yes.
See, I'm a good teacher.
Yes.
Did you know that? Did you know how to read hieroglyphic?
Can you see a woman giving birth? Where? Here? This? But
Yeah.
there's one problem, it's a man, not a woman. So this is a man, this is a god. Okay, I'm using the pointer, okay?
Oh.
So you see, this woman is sitting in the chair, giving birth. You're feeding the baby.
Sunset. OK， 而家我哋睇一個叫做 Nile Mika， looking 尼羅河嘅水位高低。好噃。嚇？香港團嘛。啊！仲有個警察帶住晒 AK47，有防彈鬥添啊！仲有一個防彈鬥。
This bookmark. Look.
No,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look. This 10 bookmark. All 10 for $1.
don't need to.
$1. 50 iPad. 50 Egyptian. Okay, $1.
No thank you, no thank you。嚇？
人啊，咁多個千1蚊我都真係，一陣又
咁又唔會嘅，點解要呃我啫？1蚊就1蚊啦。
$1，跟住又咩嘅，俾少啲，跟住又。
咁啊唔係 ，He looks honest。Yeah。
He look。
咦？你買件藍色嗰件幾靚㗎，老婆。
覺得好似人哋嗰啲
咩啊
You're buying?
？No, I think she looks nice.
Then you should.
It looks so.
Okay.